stay with me. Wyatt, what happened?
Oh, it hit my shoulder so hard.
That's so bad. I think you need surgery. Hey guys, I'm Colin Davies, and today we're going to be doing surgery on this patient right here. According to his chart, it looks like he looks like he completely shattered his shoulder playing some sport called pickleball. So, basically, today we're just going to go through the basics of how to do a shoulder implant surgery. So, first we're going to start off, we're going to mark the patient's arm right here. Right there. And this part right here, we're going to use our shoulder stem first, and we're going to drill it into the bone like this. And as we go, we're going to next attach our tray and our Glenosphere, and the parts are going to mate together in a ball and socket form like this. And so we're just going to shove that in here like that. All right, and finally we're just going to close off everything like that, and we're good to go. And basically, yeah, that's how you do a quick little 2-minute shoulder replacement surgery. Hope you all enjoyed.